This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages, and we are staying in Copper Creek Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. We're going to do a room tour. This is a deluxe studio with walk-in shower. We have Magic Band to get us in. Okay, so this is actually a sliding door for the bathroom. So, bring that back. But it makes it look like it's like the reflection makes it look like a second room. We have a closet with all of our junk. We have a little kitchenette. This is empty, but it's a good size. It looks like dish soap, wash rags, paper towels, sponge, trash can, some silverware. Some storage for if you bring groceries. Toaster. And more dish soap. So you do not have to be a DVC member to stay here. I was able to just book myself for this stay. Entryway. We have bath soap and body lotion. And hair dryer. Some extra tissues and toilet paper. And nothing. In here, this does have a sliding door. Little Mickey head. We have 3 drawers over here. Okay, yeah, it's 3, not just a fake 2. A couple of plugs and USB in here. There is room under the bed for luggage. This is super cute with the different knobs and drawer pulls. Uh-oh, hold on. Okay, I was trying to do it at an angle that was not working for me. A couple USB and regular plugs, US plugs. I think this might be a pull-out couch. Let's see. Yes, it is. There are just two of us, so we will just be using the one bed. We have seating outside. Oh, there's a tiny, little lizard. Probably should have shut my door because I don't want him to come in my room. But this room is 2112, and we're actually pretty close to the lobby. If I'm not mistaken, you just walk down there and right there, and that's the bus stop. And there's only one, so we're really close to it as well. So that is it. Deluxe studio with walk-in shower. Copper Creek Villa at Disney's Wilderness Lodge.